exiting soon. Looks like here. What's that big sign up there? Can't read it from here. Truck wash. World's largest truck stop. That's the one. There it is. Look at all those trucks. Oh my goodness. It's a lot of trucks.
In 500 feet, turn right onto North Plainview Road.
Okay, here's Grandma's kitchen. Let's go. Pilot here. AP. Oh, we're not going that way. So we're going in the back.
In 500
there's
feet,
the chargers
turn
over there.
right. Now turn right.
Oh, can't read it. It says, welcome drivers. Truck entrance. Oops, we're going in the truck entrance. I'm just going to tell them because I'm a truck, so it's okay. Welcome to Iowa 80 truck stop. There you go. Look at that. Look at this huge one.
It's on the right.
Here's the charging station. Plug in and then we'll walk around a little bit. I was driving fast, so you can see we've got here 6% left. 531.5 watt hours per mile used. Right. Our next one is about 150 miles away, so we'll just charge it up. So it's 11:47 p.m. 74 degrees Fahrenheit outside, and here's the weather. 91 humidity. Ew. Okay, good air quality though. Right? Low chance of rain. Let's go. Alright, 250 kilowatt charger. And plug it in. Go. Go. What's this? Fast as certified scales. Oh, see, there's a museum here. Iowa 80 Truck Museum. Get out of the way, truck. Iowa 80 Trucking Museum. Pretty sure they're closed, which is too bad. They should be open late because truckers are up late, right? Look at all the trucks here. They have a lot of... That's not that many gas stations, because if you've seen Buc-ee's, they have way more. I don't know where, but they probably have a bunch more for the gas for the trucks over there. That's it. Shop online at iowa80.com. There's a Wendy's here. Oh my goodness, look at all those trucks. I'll have to show you guys the GPS picture. I'll just add the screenshot. Have an old-timey gas station here, Standard Oil Products. Wendy's up there, and this globe thingy. We have this giant sign here, greetings from Iowa 80, world's largest truck stop. Oh, okay, it's not the largest in Iowa, it's the world's largest. Oh my goodness. I need an aerial view. This, they better be open. Here's the world's largest truck stop. Bunch of stuff here. Fun facts if you want to read it. More stuff to read if you want to read it. Look at all those trucks, oh my goodness. That. What's that? And there's a truck here with all the windshield fluids. It's almost like a Buc-ee's, but for trucks instead of like regular passenger automobiles. Pretty cool. The bathroom has like 2 entrances. Not very fancy. They even have showers and theater and stuff up here. Dentist, wow. A Jeep here. And then they have stuff like this. But I don't want to be copyrighted, so. I have so much stuff here. Gnomes. So much stuff. Garden. They also have a restaurant, but it looks like it's closed. And bears. They even have the bug assault guns. They even have these daggers and stuff. Wow. Okay, I take it back. This is way cooler than Buc-ee's. They got way more stuff here. What in the world? Some stuff I think you can't bring back to California. You even have this. Sports related stuff. And a pig bench. Some slippers. Wow, this place is ginormous. What in the world? They even have DVDs and stuff. Wow. They have guitars here too. What? Refrigerators. Wow, even tablet mounts. And they have more automotive related electrical stuff. A billion different kinds of wires and stuff. Wow. Oh, these are actually wires. And they have more trucking kind of supplies here. Antennas. All these kind of Oakleys. Wow, and a giant truck inside. They even have the mattresses for truck drivers in here. Wow. Wow, look, what are all these lights? They have so much stuff. What is that? Oh, it's probably for like the gear shift selectors and stuff. Wow. They even have the truck nuts. Man. Steering wheels. Everything. What are those, horns? Yep, horns. And lots of steering wheels. Whoa. Wow, they have like everything here for the trucks. Put one of those so you can ram people. All the different lights and everything and chains. Wow. And more beds, more truck mattresses. And pillows and everything. We even have a jug specifically for peeing on the go. Oh, for women too. Urinal. They even have hard hats and stuff. And they even have these sweaters, reflective for easy visibility. Oh, here they have some specific souvenirs. Look at all of these. So many. With the tail, that looks cool. The Predator, some random robot things, guitars. So cool. Different kind of trench coats. All different kinds of plushies. We have toy cars as well and trucks. And we have pets that will never leave a mess. This sensory dough. Huh. Oh, inside they have coffee and bagels and Dairy Queen, Pizza Hut, and Taco Bell and Wendy's. There's so much stuff here. Got all these signs. Can't quit your vision. Pour me another drink. And the pet ones. It's called furniture, right? Hey, the little koosh balls, they still exist. All these different keychains, magnets, snow globes, shot glasses and stuff. These things made of bullets. They have the lamb choppies. They also have the jerkies. And they have the whole row of all these drinks. And all these snacks. They have more bigger pies. Imagine you just leave this out on your table and someone's like, when are you gonna eat that? How old is that? Throw it away. Lots more snacks. And then they got these convenience items. They have hot sauces with alligator claws on it, like actual ones. What is this? Gator chips and jerkies, I guess. Just exploring that place. The truck's already at 87%, so we charged over 80% extra. And by the time I get there, it's gonna probably be like 89. I have a sign here to tell you where the EV charging is and the exits. Alright, we're at 92%. I was doing some more recording, so here we go. We'll get there. It says with 18%. That's probably if I'm driving super fast again. 12:37 a.m. 74 degrees. Let's go. Alright, if you want to visit this super big what do you call it, truck stop, it's in Walcott, Iowa. So our next stop is get away. Next stop is Des Moines, Iowa. Alright, let's go. 150 miles, 148 miles to go.